So I know a ton of college students are probably going to be clicking on this video, and I feel like it goes through every college student's mind like, hey, I'm getting older, I got to start making money. And at the same time, you're managing your school, your grades, your connections, your significant others, your gym, all that stuff, the parties, whatever you want to do in college. And there's a ton of videos on YouTube that talk about all these ways that students can make money, and I watched a ton of them, and like they were really all just bullshit. It's not to this, that's not even to diss anyone, honestly. But a lot of people who are making these videos are like 40. Like, yeah, this is how you made money in college 20 years ago. This is gonna be like raw content because I just really wanted to get this out here without having to edit it too much. And I'm really gonna just give you like two legitimate ways that you will make money, you know, in college while you're still able to manage and do all the things you want to do, so you don't feel like you're missing out. And besides working an actual job on your school campus or at your apartment front desk or a dorm front desk, you know, there's not that many opportunities or options. But like, they're on campus jobs for a reason. They pay 15 an hour or 13 or 14, and you kind of just work that job. You work light hours, like 2-3 hours shifts. You could pick up shifts, but that's about it. So I'm gonna go right into the first way to make money as a college student that will not take you too much time, and you won't be wanting to just like jump off a cliff. And the first way to do this is to become a social media creator. There's a lot of things that college students have in common with others who want to know exactly what you're doing so they can follow that and possibly use that as a way to get to their goals without having to go through all the trial and error. You can become a content creator. You can post on Instagram, you can post on Snapchat, start following there, and of course YouTube or TikTok. TikTok might be getting banned, which I'm kind of happy for it personally, but that's besides the point. When you become a content creator, you are creating a brand for yourself. Even if you don't know that, you're still creating a brand for yourself. That brand can blow up, and a lot of people can know you. A lot of people can notice you, not only being people, but brands and businesses and other opportunities to make money. So something that I've done with becoming a content creator is I started a YouTube channel, and I'm working on my goal is to get monetized hopefully by the end of the summer, which would be really nice. But I picked a niche that when I do get monetized will give me a pretty good amount of money, which is just videos in the money niche, in the finance niche. They pay really well because brands know that these videos are getting pushed out to older viewers who are like 18 and up, who have more of a chance or a higher percent chance of buying from me, from people who trust me as a viewer. And the main thing that I've done with that so far to make money, since I haven't made money on YouTube, is with affiliate marketing. On TikTok, once you have a threshold of 1,000 followers on there, you're able to apply for the TikTok Shop Creator Fund or the TikTok Shop affiliate, whatever it's called. I'm gonna be showing this on the screen, but you basically will add a product to your showcase, or there will be companies reaching out to you asking for you to promote their product, either for amount of money or just the commission. But I've done that with a lot of things because I work out, and I've used a lot of gym clothes I've already had to use as a way to get commissions, and it's worked. You know, I've made some money off of that. I've also made money off of using TikTok Shop, making a website so that I can get viewers through my website to just click that link and buy, which will give me instant commission. So affiliate marketing is a really great way to do that. I've also been able to model for some smaller brands, some smaller companies like Makutsa, who does t-shirts, pants, who are going to be starting up pretty soon again, I believe this summer. So I'm excited for that. And that's another way to make money. Now, if you're liking this real authentic content right here, please hit the subscribe button, because I'll be giving more content weekly, better content. This is just something I'm trying to get out to you guys, because I was just shocked to see the people who were posting videos on this same topic. The second way to make money is for people who don't really want to be on camera, who don't want to create content where they're in the video screen, because there's a lot of things with AI, they can just take your voice and all this other stuff that you don't have to be bothered with. So the second way is to make a YouTube channel where you repurpose content. And what I mean by that is there are websites like Opus Clip and some Opus Clip dupes that will take a link of a video, a long form video off of YouTube or whatever it is that you're watching, a podcast. You post it in there, and then it will actually break up with AI. It will break up these clips into little segments that you can go ahead and post. And obviously you have to give all rights to who you're taking the content from, otherwise you won't be able to monetize that on all platforms. But once you do that, you can turn that into content, post it on YouTube. YouTube Shorts are really easy to get traction. They usually send them out to like 1,000 people, and if they like it, then it'll just start going up. If they're clicking on the video, that you'll just get more views. And you can also do that on Instagram. Instagram pays decently well once you start building that brand up. You can also do that on TikTok, but TikTok is a bit more strict with this AI generated stuff. Say this video is like generated, or else they won't push it out. But this is something that would be called a faceless YouTube channel. And again, there are a ton of ways to make money. All this data analyst stuff and this coding, but realistically, a average college student is not doing that. That's another class, essentially. I already am taking classes like anthropology. I have no idea what's going on. I did good on the test, but I don't really who cares, honestly. I'm kidding. Staying if you're watching this for some reason, it's love. But in all honesty, there aren't that many ways besides working a regular job and drop shipping, but which is going to cost you a lot of money to get good at. There aren't that many ways that you can just go over here and make $35 an hour. Realistically, you have to be doing some type of social media, and if you're not doing that, then you should just work the regular job or a sale, something like that, where you can make more money based off how you are doing it, how you are performing it. The more time that you spend on YouTube, or the more time that you spend on social media in general, you should be trying to monetize that. You shouldn't I don't understand why people are posting on Instagram, oh, I want so many likes. Monetize that. If you're over here getting 1,000 likes, go ahead and make money off of doing that. Something that keeps me really inspired to go out and do that is this little book right here, which is the 365 best inspirational quotes for daily motivation. Because as a college student, and my channel's not blowing up right now, so it's some days you're just I don't want to do this, but you gotta find ways to motivate yourself to keep going, because you gotta take care of your grades at school, and you gotta take care of the bread. I kind of just go through here and I read a couple of these a day. I'm gonna read 2 for you guys right now, and it says, "What God intended for you goes beyond anything you can imagine." That's by Oprah Winfrey. And another one is, "Vitality shows in not only the ability to persist, but the ability to start over," by F. Scott Fitzgerald. What I want you guys to take away from this video is not that all these other videos are irrelevant or anything. Becoming a data analyst, a coder, a freelancer, all that stuff it's legit. It's just way harder, and it's not something that the average college student is going to want to do, and it's not something they already do. Things I told you about today are things that you already do. You're already on TikTok, you're already on Instagram, most of you are already on YouTube. 1,000 of you probably have Snapchat. It's that those are things that you already use that can make you money, and that can make you money. You just have to put some kind of time and effort into doing it. And that goes along with working a regular job. Now, you're not going to make money overnight doing this. I mean, you can on TikTok with the little drop shipping thing, the shop store. But with YouTube, it's going to be a grind. But again, if you put some kind of effort into it, shorts, you can do that in a month. And, I just really wanted to get this out to you guys. It's much love for me. If you have any questions or want to know more about how I've done these things, or how I've got some people to reach out to me, just comment it down below. I will get right back to you within an hour. I don't get that many comments. When I see them, I click them. And yeah, stay motivated. Keep grinding. Keep searching. You will find something to do. You find something that you're passionate about. And I will see you guys in the very near future.